Start with the Hail Protector car cover from JOYTUS, and in this video I'm going to do a quick guide on how to get this put on your car to make sure the vehicle is safe. So the first thing I love about it is it does come with a carrying case, and also is clearly labeled for you. Just make sure you have the front on the front side of your car. How you get this put onto your car could not be easier. It's basically just one big tarp. So you can just throw it over the top. You can do this by yourself. You just want to make sure that you pull down all the sides. They're going to have elastic at the bottom too, so it's not going to be flying around on you. To stay secure to the lower end of your car. Now here's what it looks like when it is on your car. So on top of the elastic at the bottom, they're also going to have clips so you can secure it. So if you are going to be facing some really high-end winds, this will not blow off. It'll be very securely attached around your car. As for the EV foam, this is pretty thick and it's going to have a 3-layer design of cotton fabric, the foam, and then a waterproof fabric underneath. But I was pretty impressed with how thick this was. Like I was saying, I mean, I think honestly you could throw baseballs off this and you wouldn't dent your car. So it's going to be able to take on any type of hail that's coming down and keep your vehicle protected. So if you do live in an area where hail is possible, I think this is a very simple way to protect your car and avoid that, hundreds or thousands of dollars in hail damage if the storm were to come and you're not able to park in a garage or someplace safe. So overall, it's just super easy to use, affordable. I give it 2 thumbs up.